everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a brand new generation of luxury, the 2025 Audi A6. This sleek sedan promises an unforgettable driving experience, blending innovative tech with heart-pounding performance and, of course, Audi's signature sophistication. So buckle up and let's see what this masterpiece has to offer. Design. First impressions are everything, and the A6 stuns right from the start. Imagine a sculpted body with sharp creases and a wider, more planted stance. Audi's iconic single-frame grille takes center stage, flanked by new, piercing matrix-LED headlights. They're not just for looks, they can adapt to different lighting conditions, keeping the road ahead crystal clear. Moving to the rear, look for taillights with a futuristic design, rumored to be inspired by the A8. The overall silhouette is undeniably sporty, yet retains a touch of timeless elegance. Interior. Slide inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of luxury. Premium materials like supple leather and soft-touch plastics envelop you in comfort. The focus is on clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic, with everything you need placed intuitively within reach. A dual-screen infotainment system takes center stage. One handles navigation and entertainment, while the other controls climate settings and vehicle functions. Audi's virtual cockpit sits behind the steering wheel, providing you with customizable driving information at a glance. Under the hood. Now, let's talk about what gets this beauty moving. The A6 is expected to offer a range of powertrain options. The base model will likely come with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, packing a punch of 261 horsepower. Need more muscle? Look for a potential 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 rumored to deliver a thrilling 335 horsepower. The exciting news doesn't stop there. Whispers suggest a high-performance RS6 variant might be in the works, boasting a monstrous V8 engine. But performance isn't just about power. The A6 is expected to retain Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, providing superior traction and handling in any weather condition. Unique selling points. One of the A6's biggest selling points is its integration of hybrid technology. This eco-friendly option pairs a powerful gasoline engine with an electric motor, offering impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. It's a perfect choice for those who want to reduce their environmental impact without compromising on a luxurious driving experience. Another potential game-changer is the rumor of Audi replacing traditional side mirrors with innovative cameras. Subject to regulations, of course, this would give the A6 a sleek, futuristic look while potentially improving aerodynamics. The 2025 Audi A6 is shaping up to be a true force in the luxury sedan segment. It boasts a stunning design, a comfortable and tech-laden interior, and a range of powerful and efficient engines. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a driving aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the A6 deserves a spot on your shortlist. Of course, the car's not officially out yet, so some details are still under wraps. But one thing's for sure, the 2025 Audi A6 is a revolution in luxury motoring, and we can't wait to see it hit the streets. Thanks for joining us for a closer look at the 2025 Audi A6. Let us know what excites you most about this new generation in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and explorations. Until next time, happy driving.